Hello everyone, this is Sarita and Kamal, and in this video we are going to take you to the famous Goa Gajah Temple in Bali and share all the necessary information. Consider subscribing to this channel and also follow us on Instagram. Now let's get started. Just minutes away from central Ubud in Bali, the Elephant Cave Temple, locally known as Goa Gajah, is a historically significant archaeological site and a popular tourist attraction dating back to the 9th and 11th century. Various structures inside the temple reveal Hindu influences dating back to the 11th century and some relics featuring elements of Buddhism. The road outside and parking area just before the main entrance is lined with various handicrafts and souvenir shops with a few refreshment counters. A short walk will take you to the ticket counter. As with any temple visit in Bali, one needs to cover up themselves appropriately with a sarong before entering the temple. If you are not carrying one with you, no worries. These are available for rent at the entrance itself. A fleet of stairs take you to the main courtyard with a huge bathing pool in the center and a cave behind it. Following are the key points of interest of this temple. Number 1. The rock wall carvings at the cave entrance. The Goa Gajah Cave Temple is characterized by terrifying faces carved into the stone, whose purpose is assumed to be the warding off of evil spirits. One needs to enter the cave temple via an entrance which actually is the open mouth of a demon carved into the stone. This unique entrance has made it to be one of the most Instagrammable spots in Bali. There is never a moment you don't see people posing for a picture. Number 2. The Meditation Cave. The interior of the Goa Gajah Cave or the Meditation Cave is actually T-shaped. Towards the left, there is an idol of Lord Ganesha carved out of a black stone. Devotees place their offerings over a raised platform in front of the idol. Towards the right, there are 3 lingams that represent Lord Shiv and Shakti. Now moving on to the third one, well, it's the bathing pools with fountains. You simply can't miss checking out the beautiful bathing pools in front of the cave. The walls of these pools have stunning Hindu angels holding water sprouts carved into the stone. While the cave was discovered by Dutch archaeologists in 1923, the bathing pools with the fountains weren't discovered until 1954. Number 4. The lush greenery and other scenic vistas. When you're exploring the site, you will notice many smaller stone shrines with idols of various gods. There is a huge lotus pond, a small raven, and lots of green space for you to roam around and admire the temple complex. Always remember that this is a place of religious importance, so respect the temple and its complex and also the heritage that resides in. Time required to explore the temple is less than 20 minutes. Vehicle parking is free. There is an entrance fee. We paid Rupiah 15,000 and it's compulsory to wear a sarong. So guys, that's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it and found the video useful. Follow us on Instagram for interesting stories and travel updates. Handle name is World Ghoomo. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave us a comment and do subscribe to this channel as well. And we will see you soon in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.